Super kids, please sing with me.
Hello, hello, how do you do? It is super to meet you too. We raise our hands up high, oh high, wave it side to side. That is how we say hello.
Hello.
Oh, 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 oh. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, 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 hello.
What a wonderful time to be around Super Kids!
That's right! We're excited for you to join us here at Super School.
Super! Let us introduce ourselves. I'm Rayray, and I love to read!
Wow, Rayray! I love to read too! And I'm Lala, and I love to sing!
That's amazing, Lala! Super Kids, we are the Super School's Superstars!
Oh, who could that be?
It's Momcie!
Hello, Lala. Hello, Rayray. And hello, Super Kids.
Introduce yourself to the Super Kids, Momcie.
Oh, yes. Hi, I'm Momcie. And I love to write and draw.
Thanks for creating us in the magic book with Teacher Rayla, Momcie.
Oh, you're welcome, my superstars. Now, let's ask our Super Kids.
How about you, Super Kids? What are your names?
Wow, such beautiful names. Now tell us, what do you love to do?
Super!
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you. Getting to like you, getting to pray you like me. Getting to know you, putting it my way, but nicely. You were precisely my cup of tea. Getting to know you, getting to feel free and easy. When I'm with you, getting to know what to say. Haven't you noticed? Suddenly I'm bright and breezy because of all the beautiful and new things I'm learning about you day by day.
Momcie taught Rayray and Lala and me not only to read and write and draw in order to be super, she also taught us magic manners. Please sing along with us.
Yippee! Yahoo! Super Kids, sing with us! Okay!
Manners have magic, use them right. Please and thank you day and night. Manners are magic, you will see. They make us happy, you and me. Excuse me, sorry, nice to say. Manners have magic every day. Manners are magic, you will see. They make us happy, you and me.
Please. Thank you. Excuse me. Sorry.
Oh, there are more magic manners for next time.
I loved being here with you all, but I will have to say bye-bye for now.
Thank you, Momcie. Everyone say bye, Momcie.
Bye-bye.
We love you,
Bye-bye.
Momcie.
Bye-bye, everyone. And stay super.